everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to appear offline on Tumblr. Unfortunately, there actually isn't a direct way to appear offline on Tumblr using the mobile app, and here's why. There is no feature titled appear offline. That particular feature, appear offline, that setting is not available. So because of that, since there's no setting like that within the app, you cannot actually hide your online status using that appear offline settings. Number two, the app actually doesn't give you a lot of control. It primarily focuses on content consumption and creation, with less emphasis on granular privacy controls like appearing offline. So I'll give you a workaround. While you can't completely hide your online status, here are a few workarounds. You can minimize app usage. The less you actively use the app, the less likely it is that others will see you as online. Next, you can turn on notifications. Disabling notifications can reduce the app's activity in the background, potentially making it appear as if you are less active. Next, just use the web version. If you need more control over your online presence, consider using Tumblr's web version on your phone's browser. While not ideal, it might offer slightly more control over your activities. These are just workarounds, and their effectiveness may vary. I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. See you in the next video.